First off, it had been one of my goals to play and continue my career after university. There's some leagues that you can play in Canada, but I was hoping to advance myself as a player and as a coach, and the opportunity arose through my coach, Paul Thomas, here at the University of Windsor, that I was able to get in contact with a man named Mickey Herkel, who I'd met earlier during camps in Canada, and we sent some letters and we sent over some videotapes, and there was a club in Örebro that was initially interested in me, and after that there was two other clubs, and it turned out that the Örebro club offered the best opportunity, I thought, for myself, and ended up going to work for them. I was working at Örebro for a club, YMCA is what it was in Örebro. I was involved as a coach for their junior program, and I played for their first team.
And how'd you do over there, performance-wise, personally?
Well, in all the clubs there, the foreign players are expected to do the most. Since there is only one player that is paid on each club. I did, for myself, I think I did well enough. The club was very happy with me. They thought I did a lot of things extracurricular outside of basketball, so I was involved in helping the club in a few programs that they had, and also the coaching. Strictly as a player, I was leading scorer and I was leading rebounder, and I think I had the most minutes for the club, but that's to be expected from the foreign players. I was happy with what I played with this year, very happy.
Okay, can you tell us a little bit of how the team did in the standings overall in the whole season?
Perhaps that's the only disappointment I had for my whole year. Our team finished in 4th place, and in order to qualify for playoffs in Sweden, you must get 1st or 2nd place, and we were, I think, 4 points out of the 2nd place spot. I think if we would have had perhaps a little more Swedish talent, we needed a center. I'm not a center, I'm a power forward. So if we would have had a center and perhaps a 1-point guard, which is very important to have, we might have made it for that, at least the 1st spot or perhaps the 2nd spot, and made the playoffs.
Kennedy thinks I'm all washed up, but he's in for a surprise.